Hello everyone, today we're diving into the ZINUS Dane 20-inch black frame side table, a perfect blend of functionality and style for your home. This end table features a rich black wood grain finish in espresso, adding a touch of elegance to any room while being incredibly easy to clean. With its sturdy, strong square steel tubing frame, it can hold up to 100 pounds of evenly distributed weight, making it both durable and reliable. The table is designed for easy assembly, and it even includes an additional lower shelf for extra storage, fitting seamlessly into small spaces at 20 by 20 by 20 inches. The package comes complete with a table, assembly guide, and installation tool, ensuring a hassle-free setup experience. Manufactured by ZINUS, this piece ranks impressively high in the home and kitchen category, and it's no wonder why customers love the Dane for its sleek design and practicality. Plus, with a worry-free limited 1-year warranty, you can enjoy peace of mind while enhancing your living space with this versatile end table. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.